This one is funny to me, right? What's a collard green plant that resists bugs? And this is Joe. Wouldn't we all like plants that resist bugs? All right. So Lee, what you think about that? Is there a collard green plant that resists bugs?
I don't know of a collard green plant itself that resists bugs. There are a variety that would resist bugs. I just don't think that has been developed yet.
Yeah, maybe we need to get on that, right?
Right.
Ms. Kim, what do you think about that?
That would be great.
Wouldn't
if
that be
you
great?
Could, yeah.
That'd
Maybe
be
they
so
can, the genetics, they can breed that into it. But I think the insects adapt. If you change, they change.
They change too. Yeah, it would be nice to have a collard green plant that could do
Yeah.
that. But yeah, we know what the cabbage looper, the cabbage worm, the harlequin bug, the aphids.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna come.
Yeah.
They're gonna come for sure.
Just plant enough for them, I guess.
Just plant enough. So yeah, plant your flash, your champion variety of collard greens. You'll be fine. Right, you'll be fine. So what is the best way to treat like you had aphids, your collard greens?
You could use some of the horticultural oils.
Yeah.
Would be a good way to try to control them.
Sure. And if you for the cabbage worm, the cabbage looper, BT.
BT.
Right,
Yeah.
javelin, dipel, just read and follow the label. Give them a stomach ache, they go away, they die. But yeah, that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
We could, breed a collard green plant that could resist bugs, Joe. So we'll get on that for you, all right? We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.